Okay guys, you're welcome to our channel. Today in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to view account you follow on Instagram. The people you follow on Instagram, you want to view them. So let's dive in. The first step is open your Instagram, and the next step is click on this your profile menu button, and the next step is click on the three line button, and the next step click on settings. After your settings, click on your privacy, and this is it. Account you follow, you can say accounts you follow. Click on it and you're going to see all the accounts you are following. These are all the accounts I'm following right now. So if you have more than 1000, more than 2000 following, you can just click on any of it and you're going to see the accounts you are following. You can see is that accounts you're following, the answer this ones are the one you are following. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, subscribe, like, and comment.